And what's up, guys? We're back in the video. Today we're playing Airplane 2 Story. If you haven't watched Airplane 2 Part 1, if you haven't watched Airplane Part 1, go watch it. So then you could watch this one. Okay. Because, if you don't know the actual story, then last time I played that. And, yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. 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 Acting on your best behavior. I'm just gonna tell someone random to follow me. Everybody's leaving. Yeah, nobody's gonna really play this at all. No, dude. Yes, we're actually getting one. Oh, this guy's an axolotl too. Sure. And guys, if you want to friend me on Roblox, then go ahead and do it. Just leave your username in the comments. My name is Battle Pizza 1. You can see it right there. And shout out to this guy. He's the only one playing with me, and he's an axolotl. Mr. P. Airplane 2. Airplane 2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm back. Airplane 2. Welcome back, boys. Hello. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. As you will probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Yeah, this is like a jet or something. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft. Cool. You heard right. The President would like to celebrate personally with you guys. Wait. We still don't understand how the lost control. Anyways, you saved the day, and this is the reason we are here. Alright, enough chatting. Enough chatting. What? Enough chatting. Please find that see a golden label. That's not golden. That's actually kind of silver. No, dude, you're gonna die. No. You gotta be kidding me. Bruh. Oh my God, bro. Stop. Okay, finally. I have been informed a agent is waiting for you in the next room. What do you say? about this. About what? About what? Jesus. 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 Welcome to the presidential airplane. Acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on nature. Hello. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you instructions. Okay, buddy. Agent. So beat it. So beat it. Ooh, I love water. President is getting ready. We'll meet you in the dining room in a couple minutes. What's in this? Red room, it's computers. Huh? He gets mad very easily. Please do everything you say. Do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. All the presidents should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water? Let me just throw the glass of water around. Step on the glass of water. Step on the glass of water. Step on the glass of water. Cha 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 cha. Watch out, boy. Make a mess. Nobody's doing anything. Oh, I have to dance. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. What's the guy doing? Help me to design make to freedom and place of nothing ever lasts forever. You have to jump on it. Bop, bing. I think we're glitched. You have to. You have to run on it. Bop, bing, boop, bing, bop, bing, boop, bing, bop, bing, boop, bing, bop. What do we do? He. I think I have to join another game. And Aubrey's. Okay, that was a little bit loud. Wait, hold on. Is that the champion company? Passenger in your car. I can't wait to play Airplane 3. This one's packed, dude. And it has Spider-Man. And it has Spider-Man. And they have Spider-Man moves. 8 ball. Okay. Okay. FBI. Okay.
Where's Spider?
I'm a passenger, man. I'm a passenger. Passenger. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Airplane 2. Okay. Airplane 2. Airplane 2. Airplane 2. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight.
Over huggy.
As you can probably tell, this is not really. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. No, it's actually 992 now. You saved the airplane last time. Yeah, pretty heroic. We got the same two snakes. Yeah, if you haven't watched the other video, then go watch it. Anyways, you saved the day, and this is the reason we are here. Wait, you just kidnapped us to bring us here? Oh, this guy's, legacy. Ah. Where's the other guy? Do a. You can go out of the plane? Is that okay? Yeah. What the heck? This isn't a plane at all, dude. Yeah, did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. Dude, what the heck is that, dude? And okay. Oh, someone already there. A hacker. Hold on. I've been informed because remember, no one should know about this. What? Yeah, I saw that, definitely. What the heck? This guy is a cheater, bro? I don't know if this guy's a hacker or not. Congratulations. What you done? Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. Okay, let's go. Trouble. Wait, how's this guy got a chicken leg, bro? Where did he even get that from? Hey, buddy. Okay. Ever, Okay, let's go. grab a glass of water. Oh my god. Okay, just. Come on. Or else we will have to unlock quarantine for the rest of the flight.
Love you, babe.
Love you too.
Back.
Okay. Done. Please do not let that happen again, or everyone. Oh, President is ready now. Let's go. You follow me to the dining room. Okay. FBI. Special agent. That looks cool. Agent. Okay. That's where he got it from. I think. Oh, he's the chef. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. Ronald, anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. Donald? Ronald. President of the Robloxian States. Oh, so you're president? You must know you are heroes for this nation. Good. You have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Okay, give us it. Oh, so it's an airplane. But we're high in the sky, not moving at all, but fine. Food is not ready. I can't believe I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off the plane. Whoa. With a parachute, right? With a parachute. How's he in there, dude? I will take care of it, President. Okay, you're cooking. Got eggs, bro. President. I've never cooked before. Oh, well, you have to cook, buddy. But you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane, too. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no. Okay, oh, sorry. Doing good. He has to do it good so he can't die. I waited to tick. Ready? The soup needs grapes. Get grapes. Get the grapes. Okay, thank you. Okay, good job. The soup needs fish. Okay, get the fish. Put it in. Okay. The soup needs grapes. Okay. The soup needs grapes. So much grapes. Making grape fish. Soup needs cabbage. Okay. Food is ready. Food's ready. Ooh, all this looks amazing. It's the next president, if you don't mind. Everybody's over there, so I'm just gonna right here. Everyone take a seat. I'm gonna drink the soup. My feet, my axolotl feet is Tapping on the food. That's yummy food right there. Yeah, yummy. Yummy food. We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. What the? How did they do that? How do I even do that, guys? Please follow me to the computer room. This is the farthest we ever got. Last video was like 28 minutes. I hope this video is also 28 minutes. We're back. Welcome to the computer room. Oh, we got like first class jetpack. We use this room to protect any cyber attack for our systems. This president is reading the presidential suit. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Yeah? Okay. 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 Now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Are they making us hackers? Oh, it's all green. Yes, we did it. We did it. It's all green. Whoa, we really need to work in that code. Bedroom. Okay. Hi, President. Meet with the president in the next room. Yo, wait, hold on. Bro, what is this man doing, bro? We're gonna attack! Attack him! Attack him! Attack him! Okay. For some reason, I can't find the keys. I found them. Dang, food's really quick. Great. Let's open the door. Okay. Good. Woo! Because I'm sleeping on the floor. It was he, him. Him. This is where you will be spending the night. Okay, I hope there is room for everyone. Hey, I give you guys time to get comfy. Okay, there's not room enough for everyone, dudes. I hope you can get comfy. Can't exit out of the room. Oh. Really comfy. Hanya, hanya, hanya. Me. Okay. Okay. It's nighttime. It's nighttime. It's nighttime. I can't sleep. There's something about this fight that scared me. Yeah, me too. The other fight that I killed someone. Guys. Curtain. What curtain? Oh my god. Ah, nah, bro. It's the guy from the other plane. It's the guy from the other plane. It's the monster. It's the monster from last flight. Did you forget about me so early? Nah, bro. Nah. Bro. Get out of here, bro. Go. 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 Go, guys. Go. Guys, go. I wanna die. Guys, I'm gonna die, bro. Guys, we gotta go. 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 Go on the highest. Go on the highest one. I don't think it can get us in here. He, him, do. Are we safe now? Oh, I have to get off some papers. Floor. Yeah. Get out the top. No! Oh, shoot. No, Sebastian died. Oh my God, Sebastian died. The smells. It smells so hot. It's getting hot in here, so hot. Not because the fire's gone. What's happening? What is happening? How do you get out? What the heck? Hello? Yeah, I'll answer it. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. Again! You don't say. I can tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Yeah, unlock it. Casey. Get closer while I do that. But the monster might still be around. Yeah, he really set the whole place on fire. God, bro. So scary, bro. That guy. This guy. You will not escape this time, okay, fat man. I'm not scared of that guy. Not? Turn around and figure out all the codes. Ah! Okay, we can talk about this. Or some brunch. Some brunch. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill you. Thanks, dude. Where'd it go? I saw another one. 2. Three. I lost like half of my health. Oh my God! No! Holy water! Holy water! Ah, no. Okay. Spider-Man can save us. Okay, is 407. What is going on? We saw that monster again. Yeah, bro, what the heck? He took away half my health. Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here. Yes it did. Yeah. Yes it did. The first one and the second one. It made you come here again. Yeah, I think we have to like stop on the airport stuff. I knew there was something wrong here. Yeah, okay, load save. What wasn't it doing? The good news is, what the heck? How is he doing that, dude? He once used to be a human, but now he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes in a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Oh, wait, hold on, what? Hold on. Killing Sky. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. Okay, good. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Yo, what? Like you. Because he blames you for his birth. How? Now, how you know about the monster story? You must know. He can't take any shape. He could be any agent or any president, but I'm not sure yet. Bro, hold on. Take this gun. Gimme. Oh yeah. You only have one chance to discover him and kill him. You have to kill him, guys. If he died, then he's already dead. So who's taking the shot? Me, please. Bro, if I miss? Okay, I'm doing it. Alright. Good luck, guys. Okay. Woo! I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna shoot someone. Bro, I will literally shoot you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait. Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster, not the president. You are making a huge mistake. It's the president. We are not monsters. Okay. I don't trust you. Okay, this is very stressful. You liars! You liars! No, what did I do? You are the monster. You said it was the president. They said it was the president. All of you are the real monsters. Now I can take your souls. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. I did not. Yes, you did, bro. This is stupid, bro. I only got one shot, bro. She should have given us two. Well, we got bad ending. No. Okay, I'm not gonna take that for an answer. We're gonna do this again I'm gonna do this again. Hold on. Because, What's up, guys? So I'm halfway in, but now I'm gonna get the good ending. But dang. Okay, guys, we're halfway. Almost there. I'm back! I'm back! Yes! Yes, guys! It's time! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's go, boys. Thank you. Oh my god, guys. That's crazy! Time to get the good ending. Okay. It's time. I actually don't know. Bro, okay guys, it's the time. We're doing it again. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, we're doing it. Okay, we're doing it. Ah! Ah! Okay. Come on. It's scary. Oh! Oh, yes, sir! Yes, sir! We did it, guys! We got the good ending! It has haunting us since the first trip. It tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Yeah, you. Wait, shouldn't you have like a bodyguard? Oh, wait, yeah. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. We saved the day! I saved the day. That was scary. Let's go home. Yeah, let's go home. At least it's finally now gone. Woo! I feel like there's gonna be like a celebration party. Like, bro, that's crazy. Woo, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. And I hope you have an amazing day. Woo! Guys, I'm back, guys, and I hope you had an amazing day with the good ending and the bad ending. So if you want to see me play Airplane 3, then like and subscribe. Bye.